Hey everyone, welcome back to Hello VS TV. It's Vahagn here, and today we are diving into this 15.6-inch portable monitor by InnoView. Before I start, I would appreciate it if you could subscribe, like and hit the notification button to support my channel's growth. Now let's do a quick unboxing of this portable monitor to find out more about it. This 15.6-inch monitor boasts a full HD 1080p resolution, providing crisp and clear visuals for everyday use, from office work to travel, gaming and more. It's designed to be convenient and efficient. What sets this monitor apart is its impressive 1200:1 contrast ratio compared to the typical 800:1 or 1000:1 you find in other brands. This monitor delivers better picture quality with deeper blacks and more vibrant colors. And check this out, it comes with a free protective bag. This adds to its already high-cost performance, making it an even better deal. It's an ultra-light and ultra-thin monitor. It's incredibly easy to carry around, perfect for those who are always on the move. Connectivity is key, and this monitor does not disappoint. It features 2 USB-C ports and 1 stand HDMI port. In my opinion, HDMI will have better stability and compatibility than other brands' mini HDMI ports, and I can use my own HDMI cable at home without having to buy another one. You can connect your laptop, gaming console, or even your phone. But just remember, it's better to power the monitor separately to avoid any screen flickering due to insufficient power supply. Now let's talk about the visual experience. With HDR technology, a high 1200:1 contrast ratio and a clear 1080p resolution, you are getting a stunning display. The IPS panel offers a 178-degree viewing angle, ensuring consistent color and clarity from any angle. It covers 80% of the sRGB color gamut and delivers up to 300 nits of brightness, making your contrast look vibrant. Plus, it has low blue light technology, which is easier on your eyes during extended use. So if you are looking for a versatile, high-quality portable monitor, this monitor is worth considering. Whether you are working, gaming, or just need a second screen on the go, this monitor might just be what you need. I will leave this product's link in this video's description below in case you want to order one for yourself. This is all for today. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more awesome tech reviews. See you next time on Hello VS TV.